So friend, Samsung is expected to use the same camera hardware on the upcoming flagship Samsung Galaxy S26 as its predecessor. A new industry report suggests that the company has stepped back from planned camera upgrades to control its rising production cost and avoid increasing the phone's retail price. This decision could disappoint buyers hoping for meaningful hardware improvements in photography on the next base Galaxy S model. At the same time, separate leaks indicate that Samsung is preparing major changes on the accessories front with wider adoption of QI2 charging. According to the report by the ALEC in Korea, Samsung has scrapped plans to upgrade the camera system on the PS Galaxy S26 due to rising component cost and pressure to keep pricing unchanged. As a result, the Galaxy S26 is likely to feature the same 50 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera and 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom as the Galaxy S25. The 12 megapixel front camera is also expected to remain unchanged. The South Korean publication states that smartphone maker decided to prioritize pricing after Apple's retained the same price for the base iPhone 17 this year. Apple also upgraded the base iPhone 17 with a 120Hz display and higher base storage without raising its prices. This reportedly influenced Samsung to cancel the Galaxy S26 camera upgrade to stay competitive in pricing. If this report is accurate, the Galaxy S26 may not deliver major improvement in photography hardware. Any gains in image quality are expected to come mainly from software optimization and new Exynos 2600 chipset. The late change in camera planning is also said to have affected Samsung production schedule. Samsung is expected to retain the usual lineup with 3 models including Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus and Galaxy S26 Ultra. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to enter mass production first, while the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus are now expected to begin mass production in early 2026 instead of later this year. This delay is also believed to be one reason why Samsung may launch the Galaxy S26 series in February 2026 instead of January. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.